An electric truck promised off-road swagger, cross-country range, and super quick charging. Then asked you to rethink what AT4 really means? Meet the 2026 GMC Sierra EV AT4. On paper, it's a powerhouse. Long highway legs, serious juice at fast chargers, a clever bed-to-cabin pass-through, and enough thrust to launch a small moon. But there's one big catch, and if you're planning to go beyond the trailhead, you need to hear it. Stick with me and you'll know exactly who should buy this truck and who should look elsewhere. Do you need real off-road capability, or do you want the look with road trip range and daily comfort? Your answer matters here. GMC pitches AT4 as ready for the rough stuff, but the Sierra EV AT4 tips the scales at an eye-popping 8,844 pounds. That's a huge amount of mass for any suspension to control, especially over rocks, ruts, and washboard. This truck brings genuine EV strengths, range, power, charging, and then runs into the physics of being very large and very heavy when you leave the pavement. On-road manners, braking, and body control. Hammer the brakes from 60 miles per hour, and the Sierra EV AT4 stops in 145 feet. But it bucks front to back, a sign the soft suspension can't fully clamp down spring motion. Turn in briskly, and you'll feel lean amplified by the tall sidewalls on its Goodyear Wrangler Territory ATs, LT 285/75 R18. Nearly 35 inches tall. Plenty of grip for daily duty, but the combo of soft damping and big tire sidewalls makes this big rig feel, big. Do you prioritize silky ride comfort or tighter body control with a firmer suspension? This truck leans toward comfort, off-road reality. Where the AT4 badge meets gravity, on modest, loose rock and pebble paths, trails a typical AT4 should breeze through. The Sierra EV AT4 struggled to keep from digging in. Again, mass matters. If your off-road is well-graded dirt to a campsite, you're fine. But for buyers eyeing real AT4-level trails, the suspension tuning and weight make this a tougher sell. It looks the part, but its capability ceiling is lower than the badge suggests. Planning Moab, or just fire roads and Forest Service routes? Thoughtful. That single decision could make or break your satisfaction here. Power hit, range and charging. The time of the fact out, quick on paper, muted in feel, max power mode, foot down 0 to 60 in about 4.3 seconds. That's sports car quick in a full-size EV truck. You'll feel some torque steer and a big shove, but the soft suspension soaks up some of the drama. It's quietly, brutally fast, more about effortless passing than neck-snapping theatrics. If you need confidence for merging, towing light loads, or slicing through traffic, it's got it. In steady 70-mile-per-hour highway testing, it covered 368 miles from 100% down to 5%, short of its 478-mile EPA figure, but still impressive for its size. Low on juice? On a 350-kilowatt DC fast charger, we saw about 120 miles added in just 15 minutes, and roughly 213 miles in 30. That's road trip friendly by any standard. If your life is big miles and quick pit stops, this truck delivers. What's worth more to you? Ultimate off-road finesse, or a quick 15-minute top-up that gets you another 120 miles down the highway? Utility and packaging. A standout feature is the folding false wall between cabin and bed. Think midgate. It splits 60-40, majority on the driver's center side, so you can extend cargo length into the cabin without dropping the tailgate. Great for security and aero on the highway. Our wish? Flip the primary fold to the smaller side, so you could slide in long 2x4s while still seating 2 in the rear. As is, it's clever, just not perfect. Still, for DIY runs and adventure gear, this is a real advantage over fixed bed rivals. How often do you haul long stuff? And do you need those back seats at the same time? That detail matters more than you think. If you want to measure charging time, cost, and towing capacity in real time, then you can do it on www.evriders.com. The link will be found in the description and pinned comments. Price, sticker shock alert. Base price is $91,695. Our tester with a hard-fold bed cover rang in at $93,645. That's a lot, even in today's sky-high truck world. Here's the honest take. Buy it if you value long highway range, fast DC charging, a powerful yet composed EV drive, and that mid-gate utility while mostly staying on pavement or mild dirt. Skip it if you want true AT4 grade off-road prowess. There are cheaper, more capable off-road trucks, most still burn gas, that will suit you better. No doubt GMC built a superb long-distance EV truck. It just wears an off-road badge that its suspension and sheer mass struggle to back up. But if you're chasing true AT4 trails, look twice before you sign. Want to see how it stacks up against other electric pickups? Click the video on your screen now for our head-to-head EV truck comparison. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell for next video.